Students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now today discuss about permutations. Now concept is problems on divisibility. Now tricks for problem solving. First one, divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2. Last digit an even number. Just example, even digits means 0, or 2, or 4, or 6, or 8, etc. Next, divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3. Sum of the digits divisible by 3. Sum of the digits divisible by 3. Next one, divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4. Last two digits divisible by 4. Next one, divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 5. Last digit either 0 or 5. Next, divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 6. A number must be divisible by 2 or 3. 2 and 3. A number is divisible by 6 means if a number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. And also even numbers whose sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Next one, divisible by 7. Divisible by 7 means if the difference between twice the digit in the unit place and the number formed by the other digit is either 0 or multiple by 7. Example 3675. Now here unit place 5. Unit place 5. Twice the unit place. Twice the unit place. Now 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Remaining number 367. Remaining number 367. Now 367 minus 10 is equal to 357. Now 357 is clearly divisible by 7. Clearly divisible by 7. Therefore 3675 is divisible by 7. Next, a number is divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 8. Last three digit number is divisible by 8. Example 2192. Last three digits 192. 192 is divisible by 8. Therefore total number divisible by 8. Another example 9128. Last three digits 128 is divisible by 8. Therefore total number divisible by 8. Next one, divisible by 9. A number which is divisible by 9, sum of the digits divisible by 9. Sum of the digits divisible by 9. Example, now here 8640. Sum of the digits. Now 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 0. 18. Now 18 divisible by 9. Therefore total number divisible by 9. Okay, another example 6453. Now sum of the digits 15 plus 3 18. 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore total number divisible by 9. Next one, divisible by 10. Divisible by 10 means a number which is divisible by 10, last digit is 0. Last digit is 0. Example 9720. Here last digit 0. Therefore total number divisible by 10. Next one, divisible by 11. If the sum of the digits in the odd places and the sum of the digits in the even places are equal or differ by multiples of 11. Now here example 3564. 3564. 3564 means now sum of the here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now sum of the even digits, sum of the odd digits. Okay, sum of the even digits. Now odd digits 3 plus 6, 9. even digits 5 plus 4 9. Therefore here total number is divisible by 11. Next, divisible by 25. A number which is divisible by 25, last two digits are divisible by 25 or 75. 25 or 75. First one, if the repetitions are not allowed, the number consisting 4 digits and divisible by 5. Now we are given digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are given digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now 4 distinct numbers means now you take 4 places or 4 blanks. Okay, next one, a number is divisible by 5. Last place can be filled with 0 or 5. Now here given digits 0 is there. Now you take 0 on unit place. Now here 3 places is there. Remaining 6 digits is there. Now here first place can be filled with any 6 digits. 6 possibilities is there. Now repetition is not allowed. Here second place can be 5 possibilities is there. Next third place can be 4 possibilities is there. Therefore 6 into 5 into 4, 120 ways. Next one, here unit place. Now unit place can be filled with 5. Now here first place, now here given digits, here 0 is not possible. 0 is not possible. Remaining except 0 and 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits is there. Now here first place can be filled with 5 possibilities is there. First place can be filled with 5 ways. And here second place, and here also 0 is the possible. Now second place also 5 possibilities. Okay, third place 4. 100 possibilities is there. Now total 120 plus 100 is equal to 220. Now fourth one is the correct one. Fourth one is the correct one. The next one, a 5-digit number divisible by 3. Now formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition. The total number of ways this can be done. Okay, now here first given digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, a number is divisible by 3. Sum of the digits multiples of 3. Okay, now here 5 digits means now adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you take 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay. Now 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15. Now 15 is divisible by 3 or multiples of 3. Okay, next any you take any 5 digits 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, 7 plus 5, 12. And here also 12 also multiples of 3. Now you take next 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 digits is there. First place can be filled with, if any 5 digits, 5 possibilities is there. Therefore, first place can be filled with 5 ways. Now repetition is not allowed. Second place can be filled with 4. Now here 3, 2, 1. Okay, now 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 5 factorial is equal to 120 ways. Okay, next one, you take digits 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. Now you take 5 places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now first place except 0. Now here 4 possibilities is there. 4 possibilities is there. Therefore, first place can be filled with 4 ways. Now second place can be filled with including 0, and here also 4 possibilities is there. Okay, next place 3. Now here 2, 1. Okay, now 4 into 4 into 3 into 2, 16 into 6, 96. Therefore, total number of digits divisible by 3, 120 plus 96. Now 216. Therefore, first one is the correct one. First one is the correct one. Next one, the number of 5-digit numbers which are not divisible by 5 and which contains 5 odd digits. Now consider 5 odd digits: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, now total 5 odd digit numbers. Now you take 5 places: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 5 digits is there. Now repetition is not allowed. First place can be filled with here 5 digits, 5 possibilities, 5 ways. Second place repetition is not allowed, 4 ways. Next third place 3 ways, 2, 1. Now 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. Now 5 factorial is equal to 120. Next one, divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. Okay, divisible by 5 means a number which is divisible by 5. Last place can be filled with 0 or 5. Now we are given digits, 0 is not there, only 5. Last place can be filled with 5. Remaining 4 places is there. Remaining 4 digits can be filled with here. First place can be possibilities, 4 possibilities is there. Now second place 3 possibilities. Next third place 2 possibilities. Next fourth place 1 possibility. Okay, now 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 4 factorial is equal to 24. The number of 5-digit numbers which are not divisible by 5. Not divisible by 5 means not divisible by 5 means total 5 odd digits minus divisible by 5. 120 minus 24 is equal to 96. Therefore, option 1 is the correct one. Option 1 is the correct one. The number of 5-digit numbers that can be formed with 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 which are divisible by 2, 5. Now first given digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. A number which is divisible by 2, 5. Last 2 digits divisible by 2, 5 or 7, 5. Now 5-digit numbers. Now you take 5 places or 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last place, last 2 digits can be filled with 2, 5 or 5, 0. 5, 0. Now last 2 digits filled with 2, 5 means remaining 3 digits is there. First place except 0, already 2, 5 and all except 0 means remaining 2 digits is there. First place can be filled with except 0, 2 possibilities. Now without repetition, second place can be filled with including 0 and here also 2 possibilities. Now third place only 1 possibility. Therefore total 2 into 2 is equal to here 4. Last 2 places can be filled with 5, 0 means. Now here first place can be filled with 5, 0 means remaining 3 digits. Now first place can be filled with 3 possibilities is there. Now second 2 possibilities. Now third place only 1 possibility. Now 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 6. Therefore total 5-digit numbers which are divisible by 25, total is equal to 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Therefore, third one is the correct one. Third one is the correct one.